Hello! Today we'll see how to make homemade yogurt, early girly, strawberry and violet, with a lovely French accent of course. For this recipe you need whole milk, violet syrup, strawberry jam and a plain yogurt. First, put the yogurt in a dish. Then put a little milk and mix. Put the rest of the milk and mix. For this recipe, I used 1 liter for 12 yogurts. Put the violet syrup and test it. Put strawberry jam in the pot. Carefully, not to mix milk and jam, put the blend in your yogurt maker for 12 hours. Put your yogurt in the fridge for a few hours and then enjoy!
If you like this easy recipe with my lovely French accent, you can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Pinterest and of course YouTube. See ya!
And as we say in France,
Bon appétit!